Picture this, a single drone, costing just $30,000, can force the US and Israel to launch a missile worth $4 million just to stop it. And Iran isn't sending one. They're sending hundreds of flying bombs, silently crossing borders, undetectable until it's almost too late. Each drone is small, cheap, and deadly, yet the defense must spend billions trying to stop them. One wrong move, and a swarm of these drones could overwhelm the most advanced military systems in the world. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of warfare, where cheap, disposable weapons can strike fear and drain the richest armies dry. The Shahed 136 is a kamikaze drone that costs only about $30,000. It can fly more than 1,000 kilometers, carrying 30 to 50 kilograms of explosives. Iran sends them by the hundreds, targeting military bases, radars, and factories. One small drone, yet the defense has to spend millions to stop it, a real little machine for the economic psychological game of warfare. The Shahed 131 is a smaller, cheaper version of the Shahed 136, costing around $20,000 each. Its range is about 900 kilometers, carrying 15 kilograms of explosives. It is ideal for precision strikes on key targets. Although smaller, it can be sent in large numbers, overwhelming defensive systems, and forcing the opponent to incur huge costs. The Ababil II is a simple and very cheap drone, carrying about 40 kilograms of explosives, with a range of 150 kilometers and a speed of 300 kilometers per hour. It can serve as a reconnaissance or kamikaze drone. Its advantage lies in mass production, simple, fast, and lethal. Although an older model when used in combination with other drones, it puts pressure on defenses and incurs high costs for neutralization. Imagine the scene. Night falls, radar lights up, and hundreds of small, cheap drones silently cross the border. You don't notice them until it's almost too late. Each one is small but deadly, and every single attack forces Israel and the US to spend millions on missiles to intercept them. The drones strike military bases, factories, and critical infrastructure. A single successful hit causes massive damage, but even just trying to stop them costs hundreds of millions, while Iran spends only a few million on hundreds of drones. Israel and the US face hundreds of millions, even billions, just to protect their bases and civilians. This is not just a war of weapons, it's a war of economics. Every intercepted missile, every explosion prevented altogether drains resources, shifts budgets, and forces the richest armies in the world to rethink every expense. Small, cheap drones become a strategic tool, where numbers and precision replace raw power and size. In the end, the effect isn't just physical damage, it's long-term exhaustion, fear, and constant pressure on the economy and resources of powerful nations. Small projectiles, low cost, massive attacks, and the greatest military powers realize that in modern warfare, strength isn't measured by size, but by cost-effective strategy.